Hello kindergartners! I'm going to show you today how to use boom cards. Once you click on the boom cards link or go to wowboomlearning.com, you're going to come up with a screen like this. You don't need to do any sign in or anything like that. All you need to do is hit fast play and I will have your pin in your letter. Our pin is BYGA, and then you can play. You're going to listen to the sound and decide if that sound is high, like a bird, or low, like a bear. I think that sounds high, like a bird. Hit submit, and it says you're correct. I'm going to let you do the rest of these on your own. Have fun!